Welcome to Bike Shift, your trusted destination for the latest updates from the world of two-wheelers. Today, we dive into one of the most exciting launches of the year, the new 2025 Tata Electric Scooter, a powerful, futuristic ride boasting an impressive 400-kilometer range on a single charge. Let's explore everything that makes this scooter a true game-changer in India's electric mobility scene. Tata Motors has already made its mark in the EV segment with cars like the Nexon EV and Tiago EV. Now, the company is stepping into the electric two-wheeler market, and it's doing it with confidence. The new Tata Electric Scooter combines advanced technology, stunning design, and exceptional range, positioning itself as one of the most capable e-scooters ever launched in India. The 2025 Tata Electric Scooter features a futuristic yet practical design, balancing sporty aesthetics with daily usability. Its body panels are aerodynamically sculpted, giving it a sleek look while improving efficiency. Tata has used lightweight aluminum materials to enhance performance and handling. The front gets sharp LED headlights, while the rear showcases a connected LED light bar that gives it a premium touch. The build quality looks solid, clearly reflecting Tata's automotive expertise. Here's where things get seriously impressive. The scooter is powered by a high-density lithium-ion battery pack, paired with Tata's proprietary EV motor technology. Together, they deliver a jaw-dropping range of up to 400 kilometers on a single charge, a new benchmark in the scooter segment. Acceleration is quick and smooth, with a top speed of around 100 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for both city commutes and long weekend rides. Tata claims the scooter can reach 0 to 50 kilometers per hour in just under 4 seconds, showing its capability and refined power delivery. Tata has equipped this scooter with dual charging options, a standard home charger and a fast charging system. With fast charging, the scooter can reach 80% charge in about 40 minutes, while the home charger fully charges it overnight. The battery is IP67 rated, ensuring protection against water and dust, and comes with 8 years of warranty, providing peace of mind for long-term users. The 2025 Tata Electric Scooter is loaded with smart features. It includes a 7-inch full digital TFT display with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, navigation support, call and message alerts, and over-the-air software updates. Riders can also access multiple ride modes such as Eco, City, and Sport, optimizing performance and efficiency. Tata's new connected app allows users to track location, range, charging status, and even lock or unlock the scooter remotely. When it comes to safety, Tata hasn't cut any corners. The scooter includes dual disc brakes with ABS, traction control, and regenerative braking to improve efficiency. The suspension setup, telescopic forks in the front and a monoshock at the rear, ensures a comfortable ride on rough city roads. The